In 1982, Mercedes-Benz came out with the 190, the so-called Baby Benz. This gave birth to the C-Class designation in 1993. Now, almost 30 years later and 10.5 million units sold, the all-new C-Class has arrived. Never has comfort, control, and connectivity have never been so inspiring. The letters C and S are actually the opposite sides of the alphabet. But with the all-new C-Class, these seem a lot closer. Because take a look at it. The all-new C-Class actually looks like a baby S-Class. The all-new C-Class already looks to be in motion, even when standing still thanks to its dynamic proportions. The elaborated sculptured surfaces create unique lighting effects, a surprise since designers have actually reduced the lines to a minimum. The C-Class features a central star at the front, while at the back features a two-piece design, a first for this model. The all-new C-Class has a driver-centric interior, and you can actually see that in the way the entire dashboard is canted towards the driver. The dashboard design itself is actually divided into an upper and lower sections, with the upper section having these rounded, flattened air vents that actually look like aircraft nacelles. And surrounding it are actually these nice expansive trim. The driver area features a high-resolution screen that appears to float. Mercedes-Benz's shift towards digitalization is obvious in the center display, which can be controlled using a high-quality touchscreen. Like the dashboard, the screen is slightly tilted towards the driver. Even the door trims have evolved from a vertical surface to something more horizontal. The front part takes the form of a metallic high-tech element which can be used as a grab or closing handle. It also houses the power window controls. Another highlight is the floating control cluster into which the door opener and seat adjustment controls are integrated. The dashboard itself is covered in supple material and it features optic fiber-based ambient lighting. Central to the all-new C-Class experience is the latest generation MBUX infotainment system. Now, the software and the hardware have made great strides, and the design itself not only looks great, but they're also easy to use. Lessons learned from the S-Class. And of course, it also comes with a voice assistant, which can be turned on with a simple phrase. Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
set my ambient lighting to red.
Okay, I am changing the color.
Setting a new standard in efficiency, the all-new C-Class uses 4-cylinder engines from the family of modular engines or FAME. In addition to turbocharging, the engines now incorporate mild hybrid technology thanks to an integrated starter generator or ISG. The 9G-tronic transmission has also been developed to adopt the ISG. As a result, response and efficiency is up, while weight of the gearbox is down by approximately 30%. For the Philippine market, the C-Class comes with one model designation, and that's the C180. For that, it comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with 170 horsepower and 250 Newton-meters of torque. Unique to the segment now is that it comes with mild hybrid technology, and that means having a 48-volt ISG. Aside from its improved engines, the all-new C-Class also provides a higher level of riding comfort without sacrificing its agile handling and driving fun. In particular, Mercedes has lessened the required steering input during dynamic maneuvers by reducing the number of turns for the steering wheel. The C-Class also responds to these steering inputs in a sportier manner. And compared to the previous C-Class, the all-new model comes with the latest generation of safety and driver aids meant to reduce driver workload in day-to-day situations for a more comfortable and safe driving. The safety systems on board the C-Class include the following. With each succeeding generation, the C-Class has always broken new ground, whether through its design or its engineering. The all-new C-Class has actually done the very same thing. With an increased emphasis towards efficiency and digitalization, the all-new C-Class stands for both. In a world where there is constant transformation, the C-Class remains at the forefront. You can now view the all-new Mercedes-Benz C-Class at authorized dealerships nationwide.